In this video, I'm going to show you how to turn on karaoke mode in your Apple Music. So this allows you to subtly sing to the music that you're listening to without the vocals coming through so loudly. So go ahead to your Apple Music app, and you want to load up a song that you want to turn on karaoke for. So as you see at the very bottom, I do have a song here. So go ahead and click on the song. And what you want to focus on is where the lyrics are, or if you were just to turn this off, it's the same thing, but you want to go ahead and turn on the lyrics. So you want to go ahead and click on that little captions window at the bottom left-hand corner. And this is going to allow you to see the lyrics as you're in karaoke mode. But to enter karaoke mode, you want to look at basically the middle of the screen on the far right side. It looks like a little microphone, and once that turns on, it actually lowers the volume of the vocals so that you can sing along to the music. So that way, as you're singing, you can see the lyrics and you can hear yourself sing, and basically that is karaoke mode. And to go ahead and turn this off, you just want to go back to that same microphone and turn it off. But that's it. It's super simple and super easy to turn on karaoke mode.